That's what that screaming was about. They could have got me good if I wasn't.
Oh, we don't have to. Yeah, yeah.